Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make baked salmon with garlic and lemon. This is another easy salmon recipe. Last week I made pan-fried salmon with crispy skin in just 10 minutes. I'll put a link to that video right below in the description section. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. I've got salmon fillet with the skin on. Wild salmon is ideal if you can get it. Otherwise, farmed salmon is fine. We'll need some melted butter, grated garlic, salt, ground black pepper, chopped flat leaf parsley, fresh lemon juice, and olive oil. Whisk that up. Put the salmon in a shallow baking dish. Pour the mixture over the salmon and spread evenly. Bake in the heated oven for approximately 15 minutes. Cooking time depends on the thickness of your salmon fillet. This is about 1 inch thick, and it took 16 minutes. You can take the temperature with a thermometer if you like. Fully cooked salmon is 140 degrees. Most people don't like salmon to be that firm, so they cook it anywhere from 120 degrees and up. I prefer 125. It'll taste cooked, but not very firm. You can also let it rest a few minutes after taking it out of the oven. Instead of using a thermometer, just press the fish gently, and if it feels a little firm, it's done. Spoon the sauce in the dish over the salmon. You can serve it with or without the skin. The fish flakes easily and is perfectly cooked. It's delicious and so easy to make. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.